Did you hear about the new patient, Mihira? They brought her in with serious lung infection. She's in room 302. Seems she's an older patient with a history of heart trouble. They're worried about her breathing getting worse, so we need to keep a close eye on her. Also, she's taking quite a few medicines, including water pills, which can affect her potassium levels. Mihira, we need to watch for signs of low potassium.
Lung infection and heart trouble, that's a difficult situation. We'll have to be extra careful. I'll check her oxygen levels every hour and make sure she's resting comfortably. Let's also double-check when she's supposed to get her medicines to avoid any problems. We should probably get a blood test to check her potassium levels too. Poor thing, I hope she gets better soon.
Mihira, I know being in the hospital can feel overwhelming, and it's completely understandable to be worried about what happens next. I want to reassure you clearly and compassionately that you will not be discharged until we are confident it is absolutely safe. Our first and most important step is to thoroughly assess your ulcer and carefully evaluate any risk of infection. We will not send you home until this is fully complete. Here is what you can expect from us during your stay. Mihira, our team will provide the appropriate treatment, which is tailored specifically for you to begin the healing process. A very key part of this healing will be keeping all weight off your foot to allow it to rest and recover properly. We will help you with this every step of the way. We are also thinking ahead. Before you leave, we will sit down together and create a clear, detailed follow-up plan. This plan will outline the next steps for your care at home and any necessary appointments so you feel supported and prepared. You are not alone in this. We are here to guide you through your recovery with care and attention. Mihira, your health and safety are our priority.